guys, welcome back to another video on budget-friendly tips to save money and to be prepared in any type of emergency. So this video here will be about making body soap. Now we all know that body soap can be expensive. Even at the dollar store, you might get the cheaper version, but if you like that luxurious, soft, hydrating, moisturizing type body soap, liquid body soap, and such as like a Dove, they could be quite expensive. It could be upwards of close to $6 for a container like this. However, if you go to your soap section or go to the dollar store and you find a box of Dove, you can find at, like, let's say Target or Walmart, you might find the Dove in a pack. It might be a 4 or 5 or 6 pack, but you only need one of these at a time. You can make up more, but if it's just you can do one. However, it's the whole family, might want to do 3 bars at a time. However, this will save you a lot more money, because if you can find these at the dollar store, this is only $1. The only other ingredients you need is water. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take your bar soap and you want to grate it. Now, I've already grated most of mine and into this bowl. You can also use your food processor that has a shredder attachment. That would help go faster. Why am I grating this? It's so that it will dissolve in the water a lot faster. Okay, if you put the whole bar in there, you will be forever trying to melt this bar down. 1 bar soap, I have 2 cups of water in my saucepan. So I'm going to turn it on now so that it can start heating up. You don't have to boil it. You just have to ensure the water is hot, consistently hot, so it will melt the soap. Like I said, what I'm doing, everyone, is trying to, cut costs, save money, or shut down, and you can't get to the store. So I have another option I will show you towards the end, so stay tuned. Another option that you can use for body soaps and everything, so you don't have to go through this process. Although this is the hardest part of the whole process, is grating up the bar soap. So this is what it will look like, everyone. So once your water is heated up, you want to add in a little bit at a time. Give it time to dissolve. As it continues to dissolve, and then add in more. It should take about maybe 15 minutes, so be patient with it. Okay, so you want to stir frequently. So you don't have to constantly stir, but you do want to stir frequently. And you want your fire on a low, and you want like a milky consistency, like a cream, like a light cream. Everything is dissolved. Then what you do then is you allow it to cool down. And once it cools down, just so that it's not overly hot, what I'm going to do is I've already saved one of my Dove containers. For years I've gotten, let's just call it, everyone, I just got lazy and I just started buying it. And on this mission to really buckle down this year with my finances, being prepared for the future, I decided that I would go back to something I used to do back like in 2010. I started doing this. I started making my own body soap, my own fabric softener, my own laundry detergent, because as I stated, we were a family of 5. It helped to stretch everything out and last longer, cut costs. So, but yeah, I thought I would go back to basics and start doing my own. So once this has cooled down, this is exfoliating. I don't know if you can see that. Woo. Alrighty, there you go. So it's exfoliating. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in my own pink Himalayan sea salt once this cools down to the touch. So I don't want to do it while it's hot, because I'm not trying to dissolve my salt in the mixture. I want it to be like a scrub. So once this cools down a little bit, I'm going to add this in and stir it up, and then I will be adding it to my container. Whatever scent your Dove bar is, that will be the scent. I've let my soap cool. I added in my Himalayan pink salt. All right, everyone. So there you have it. This made about 1 bottle of this. Also too, I wanted to let you know, as I stated in my video, another option, if you don't want to go through and grade the soap and heat it up to melt it and pour it into a container, you can also go and buy Dr. Bronner's, let's see, there we go, Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. Now this is concentrated soap, so you need to dilute it, and in doing so, now this is 18-in-1, if not more. So this soap can be used for bathing. You can add it to some type of container. You can add water to that. You can use this stuff to wash your hair. You can wash your laundry. You can wash dishes. You can clean your floor. What I do for general cleaning is I use a spray bottle that I picked up from the dollar store, and I add in about half of this. So not even a full, this is an 1/8 cup, not even maybe half of this or less. It only maybe takes a couple of tablespoons really to add this in. And then I will add in some water and a little bit of bleach, and this becomes a general cleaner. All I have to do is shake it up and then spray it, and it's a general cleaner. It's also a degreaser, so it helps to absorb grease. So you don't have to buy Dawn dishwashing liquid. You can use this. If you have a high efficiency washer, I have one. It's a front load. You do want just to use a little bit. You don't want to use a lot because, again, this is concentrated. Again, let me repeat, this is concentrated. So this a little bit goes a long way. You can bathe your dog. You can put it in your bath water. I buy this in a gallon. I buy it unscented. There is several scents that they have. I believe they have peppermint, eucalyptus, rose, lavender. I don't buy the scented ones. I only purchase the unscented, which is the blue label. You can clean makeup brushes. You can shampoo your carpets. It's a multi-purpose soap. So again, if you don't want to take the time to make your own Dove soap, this has, of course, moisturizer in it. This does not. So, of course, it doesn't dry your skin out, but it doesn't have any moisturizers, no silicones, anything like that in it. This is just pure Castile soap. Going back to basics, not buying a bunch of different products to clean and bathe in. I'm just going down to the basics, and I like Dove. So, and I like the moisturizing in Dove. So there's times when I'll use this, and there's times when I use this when I'm taking my shower. The air is really dry and arid, I will use this. And other times, most times I just use this, and I wash my hair with this as well. So yes, everyone, I hope you find these videos helpful. If you do, please give a thumbs up, and if you like, subscribe. I'd appreciate that. Thanks for tuning in. Bye now.